What's up guys, Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I got the Kraton out today in the ramps. All right, I haven't had the Kraton out in a long time, so I thought I'd get it out on the 3XLE wheels to change it up. Got my little guy with me, Cam, and we got the ramp out. First ramp session of the year. I got the 4985 1650 motor in here with a Arrma 160. This was out of the DBXLE, and I got a rocket fan in there, aluminum case fan, and then the ProTech 370 TBL. Everything else is M2 seed and GK8 out, voltage hobbies. Had this one a long time. Really curious how the tires are going to perform. It could be a diff disaster because these are big tires. But then again, people run the was it MX43s? Those big Proline ones, and those are really big tires. That's the idea.
Hey Daddy, it gets up really high.
Oh my goodness! And the tire's already blown out. We blew a tire instantaneously. Wow. That is quite a shock. That was wild. So yeah, these tires probably aren't going to work too well. No, they are not. Okay. Okay, we're gonna switch tires. Well, this is the perfect time to test out my new toolkit. I picked up that Team Corrali toolkit just so I could have something all in one that I could take out with me when I bash. And now granted, I'm at home, but still, it's nice to have a dedicated like tool set when you're out and about. So this is gonna be first time using it here, and I'll come back when the tires are changed.
Guys, and let's just
All right, right off the bat, I don't know if I've got this in shot. This is a plastic wheel wrench, and it just screwed it up right away.
I saw this movie.
So
Daddy, it's just flipped.
the wheel wrench really isn't that great, but I had another regular Arrma 4-way wrench that I put in there, plus this didn't even fit in there. So if you get this kit for Arrma, don't use the wheel wrench. All right, we're back. Kraton is such an animal on 6S. Freshly charged 6S battery. You gotta be careful, bud. Oh boy. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on. Popped the dog bone out. Toolkit was great. Swap that, take that pillow ball out, put it back in. Good to go. My driving skills are very rusty. I guess this would be a good time to give you guys an update on the channel. I haven't been driving as much because life has gotten very busy, and making these videos is just another part of the hobby for me. So haven't been making as many, but you know, I've got the DBXLE coming up. I've been doing a ton of tuning on that. I got a Mustang body in for my Kyosho Phaser with some new tires. Try that on 3S. And other than that, I don't have a ton of plans. We'll see what happens. If I make videos, cool. If not, you know, that's the way it is. Hang on, bud, we're gonna launch it. Ooh. Whoa! Yes! Oh, man, I've hit the 2 or 3 times. I can't hit this ramp square. There we go. That didn't sound good. Something sounded really bad when I hit the ramp there. Something sounded really, really bad. Well, I think it's safe to say that this dog bone is too chewed up to use anymore, because that's the same one that popped out twice on this bash. So I'm gonna have to get a new dog bone in there. I shouldn't say dog bone. I keep saying dog bone, but I mean a new drive cup, because it came out of this cup twice. So I'm gonna have to get a new cup, because obviously it's just too chewed up. So I just noticed something major. This GKA brace pulled right through. So it's pushing, wow, it's pushing everything back. So that's crazy. I've never seen anything like that. So yeah, this bash is definitely done, and I got to get the tension off this right quick. Wow, that's nuts. All right, it looks, when I got the tension off, that it went straight. So that's a good thing. I'm pretty positive because the body fits on nice. The body was not fitting on nice. That's kind of what tipped me off. I didn't even really see it. So that was crazy. I've never had that happen before. Let's take a look at the ramp real quick. It's hard to tell, but it might have cracked right into the ramp there. I think I need to change the slope of the ramp. So anyway, let's get the Pro SC out.